All right, guys. It is April the 4th. Hey, Joe. JJ. Oh, my goodness, JJ. It's been a long time. It is 7:08. April the 4th. Let me refresh USGS and pull the first one up. Okay. I'm doing okay, sweetie. Just tired. We've had 2 earthquakes, all right? 2 majors overnight. The first one happened, well, we're going to go with the most recent first, and that came in at 5:25 a.m. USGS said there was a 5.3 Tonga Islands region. They've got it 50 miles southeast, 75 miles east, northeast of Pangai, Pangai, at 6 miles in depth. Yeah, we're staying out of trouble. Been busy with my son. Hope your son's okay. Let me go to EMSC. Now we have a conflict on the second one, just letting you guys know. On the second one, all right, EMSC had it at a 5.1, upgraded it to a 5.3 after USGS posted. They've got a Tonga region, 50 miles southeast of Nefu at 37.2 miles in depth, guys. They actually got the depth on here. Good, I'm glad you're safe. And he's okay. Now, GFC, you're going to find GFC has been reporting on most of these major earthquakes first. All right? They're right on the spot. Sometimes they don't match, but they're right on the spot. Now, excuse me. GFC was the first to report on this earthquake. So let's pull this earthquake up for you, okay? I'm going to get it as large as I can. All right. GFC said it was a 5.3 also. They got it Tonga Islands region, but they've also got it at 6 miles in depth. Now, EMSC is the only one that has it at a depth, okay? 37.2 miles in depth. There was no tsunami warning with this earthquake. Let me go to disaster alert for you. Hang on 1 minute, JJ. I'll read what you have there, okay? Waiting on disaster alert to pop up. Let's go get it. Hang on, got to go down and find it. And there she sits. All right, there she is, right there. An earthquake of a magnitude 5.3 at a depth of 6.2 miles in depth has occurred 121 kilometers northeast of GAI, Tonga, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC of the USGS. This is the preliminary. All right, this will be in your notes. All right, so now we're going to go and I'll tell you about this volcano. This volcano was 109 miles away from the earthquake, okay? It was black and it was extinct, so let me take you to that volcano. Now, guys, you make up your own mind which one is closer to me, okay? You make up your own mind. Right there's the earthquake, all right? And they're saying it was black and extinct. No, I don't think so. Closest one to me, it looks like, is green, normal, and dormant. It doesn't look black and extinct. All right? Let me get my pen. Handy dandy red pen. Does that look like it's the closest volcano to you? Or does this black one here look like it's the closest? You make up your own minds, guys. It's not up to me. You're seeing the pictures. All right? All right. A lot of volcanoes, yes. All right. And like I said, the black one and the green one look right on each other. And this looks like it's right across from the green one. But they said black and extinct. All right. Estimated release of power for this earthquake was 1,344 tons of TNT. All right. So let me go to earthquake number 2. Earthquake number 2 was, according to the USGS, a 5.4. But then we've got the conflict, don't we? Let me pull it up on EMSC too, so I can get that right away. Lots and lots of small earthquakes, lots of 4-pointers too. Okay, first, let's get USGS up. USGS, this is the second earthquake. USGS said there was a 5.4. Komandorsky, Russia. Okay, Komandorsky Islands, Russia. They've got it 26 miles south-southeast of NEIC, Russia. And they've got that at 13 miles in depth. Now here's where the conflict comes in, guys. 2 earthquakes do not agree with USGS. EMSC has it. They had it at a 5.4. They upgraded it to a 5.5. Komandorsky, Ostrovia region, 304 miles east of ESSO, Russia. And they've got it at 15.5 miles in depth. Yes, it's not as big as they have been this week, though. Now, let me show you one. What do you think? We're going to go to GFC. Come on, open up. And get it as big as I can for you. GFC is a Germany earthquake center. They match EMSC. Not on the depth, but on the magnitude. And if you look there at the bottom, right here, it says manually received. All right, it was not done by a machine, a computer. So EMSC, they've got it at 12.4 miles in depth. So that's 20 kilometers, which is 12.4. Now EMSC and GFC agree. USGS does not. All right. I'm going to take a peek right now and see. We need one more earthquake center to confuse you. What do you think? I don't mean to confuse you guys. Honest, I don't. I just don't believe in just one earthquake center presenting an earthquake as for what it is when you have choices. Gotcha. Now, EMSC, GFC, and one other earthquake center has it. So let me go pull up that other earthquake center. Pulling it up now. Guess what, guys? Let me enlarge it. Well, wait a minute. What do they got it at? 33 kilometers. Australia. And they've got a Komandorsky, Ostrovia, Russia. All right. All right. Good. Look at this. Look, look, look. I'm going to copy this and put it in there too. All right. EMSC agrees with USGS. I mean with EMSC and GFC. So you got 3 earthquake centers there saying it was a 5.5. All right. You got GFC said it was a 5.5, Komandorsky, Ostrovia. EMSC saying it was a 5.5, Komandorsky, Ostrovia. Australia said it was a 5.5, Komandorsky, Ostrovia. All right. USGS is the only one that said it was a 5.4. You've got your link. Let me shrink this down and copy this. Because now you got 3 earthquake centers that all agree and one that does not. And the one that does not agree with them was USGS. Okay. Let me put this one into the link. And EMSC did not upgrade because USGS did. Okay. Australia EQ Center. And paste the link. Let's go back and get what it says, though. It's not going to be good just to have the link. You got to go ahead and know what it said. Okay, Komandorsky, 33 kilometers. Copy. I want to see what 33 kilometers is. So hang on. I'm not good at math with that, guys. Not my eyes. Nope. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and calculate 33 kilometers. Clear. 33 kilometers. They've got it at 20.5 miles in depth. All right. 20.5. So now, it's unreal. Let's go to disaster alert and pull that one up. What do you think? And we'll go down there and I'll get that. Come on, open up. We're going to pull up disaster alert. Disaster alert is a USGS webpage. Good morning, Pete. How are you this morning, sweetie? EMSC and USGS are conflict again. All right, so let me go find this one. So they're going to put down what USGS has on their page. Okay, they're not going to put down that EMSC and GFC and Australia have it all at a different depth. All right, so let me read this to you. An earthquake of 5.4 at a depth of 12.8, so that's 13 miles, has occurred 42 kilometers southeast of NEIC, Russia, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center of the NEIC of the USGS. This is a preliminary. I got to copy that. I didn't copy the last one. So I'm going to get that into the description box. Disaster alert. Paste. Sorry. You got 3 earthquake centers saying one thing and USGS saying the same thing, saying something different. So let me go ahead and get this copy. Since this one happened a while ago, I will re-over. I want to get them all into the description box right now so you guys can check them out. And we'll go over these 2 earthquakes. Come on. Copy, please. Copy. Come on. Paste. All right, now let's go to YouTube. Guys, I am not exaggerating you. I got 57 earthquakes to go over for last night. This is not the major earthquakes. And that would entail me going through the 1-pointers and everything else. That I will get those in the morning report, JJ, okay? Last night, California was getting hit pretty hard. Go look at last night's earthquake. I put a 4.9 there so you can check it out. Okay, I'm pasting in the links now, guys. Okay, disaster alert. Australia 5.5, EMSC 5.5, USGS a 5.4, right? GFC a 5.5. Okay, the closest volcano for this earthquake was 61 miles away. They're saying it was green. Let me put that in the notes. I forgot to. I apologize. 61 miles away. Color code green, normal, dormant. Okay. All right. Estimated release of power for this earthquake. And they're going by GFC, EMSC, and Australia. Was 2,682 tons of TNT, an equivalent of a 0.2 atomic bomb. All right. And I'll show you the volcano here in a second. Just now saved it into the link. I'm going out of YouTube. So let's go show you where this earthquake took place with the volcano. Okay. And you're going to see the text there that said a 5.5. GFC was the primary source for this earthquake. And it just so happens that EMSC in Australia agreed with them. All right. Look at the volcano. We're sitting right there on top of it. 61 miles away, green, normal, and dormant. Okay. All right, guys. That's what we have. The first earthquake, the Tonga Island earthquake, that I'm going to close everybody down and start just showing you from the beginning. We'll go to USGS webpage first. We'll get both of them. And then we'll go to EMSCs and get those. All right. USGS said there was a 5.3 Tonga Islands region, 75 miles east northeast of Pangai, Pangai at 6 miles in depth. All right. Keep in mind they're saying it's 6 miles in depth. I'll come back to that now. Let me go down to the 5.4 according to them. Okay, second earthquake. USGS said it was a 5.4, Komandorsky. They've got it 26 miles south-southeast of NEIC, Russia, at 13 miles in depth. All right. Let's go ahead and go to EMSC. And we'll get their earthquakes. Let's go with 5.3 Tonga. On this one, EMSC had it at a 5.1, upgraded to a 5.3 after USGS posted. They've got it 50 miles southeast of NEIC, NEIAFU. Guys, they've got it at 37.2 miles in depth. EMSC has this one at 6 miles in depth. Okay. Earthquake number 2 on EMSC. Let me go down. I got to scroll down. We've had several in between. Okay, so I got to scroll down a little bit and pull it up. There it is. USGS has this at a 5.4. EMSC says no, it was a 5.5. Komandorsky, Ostrovia, Russia region, 304 miles east of SESSO, Russia, at 15.5 miles in depth. This also came across on the GFZ as a 5.5 and Australia as a 5.5. Okay, EMSC a 5.5, GFC a 5.5, Australia a 5.5. All right, that is your earthquakes. I want to see what everybody's saying in here. So let me go ahead and shut this down. I am not joking on how many I've got to go through on the morning report, but I need to fix Tom his breakfast first. So, sorry about it taking 27 minutes, but we had 2 major earthquakes with discrepancies. Okay. Yellowstone scares me. That is a big one. Well, that one and Mount St. Helens is a big one also, okay? Those are two major earthquakes, super volcanoes. I will check. You'll have the whole morning report. Enlightened Truth Seeker, good morning, sweetie. I'm just now finishing. All earthquakes are in the description box. EMSC and GS, EMSC and USGS had a discrepancy on one. They are there. You can see for yourself, okay? Lots of shaking going on. Yeah, lots of shaking. So let me go ahead and get my husband's breakfast made. I need a cup of coffee, and I'll work on the morning report and go through. I'm not going to put all the tweets in the morning report. I'll never get them all in there. I just want to show you, and then I will let you do your thing. All right. This is EMSCs. Now, they got one here they're not sure of, but this is all the morning report. All right, every one of them. All right. And that goes, that's only 3 hours, guys. That's only 3 hours of earthquakes. All right. I was up until 1:30 last night writing these down. Okay. So I will get you these reports. It may be a 2-part video, though. All right. Okay, had to resubscribe. Yes. Please resubscribe. Check the links. If you're not subscribed, for some reason they're being unsubscribed. If you haven't been, I don't know what the excuse is. I'm not going to give it any excuse. I don't know. Push the subscribe button again if you have subscribed and you're not getting notifications. Make sure you push the little bell and then say all notifications. Don't know what's going on, but it's happening a lot, okay? This way you guys will be able to get your notifications of all the earthquakes. Yes, they are picking up, and the magnitudes, yes. And the depth, okay? And the depth. All right, guys. Once again, USGS has it at a first one, a 5 point. Let me get to my notes. I'm sorry. USGS and EMSC agreed on the first one, a 5.3 Tonga Islands. Okay, but EMSC upgraded their 5.1 to a 5.3. USGS says it's 6 miles in depth. EMSC said it was 37.2 miles in depth. On the 5.4, Komandorsky, Ostrovia, Russia. USGS says it was a 5.4. EMSC says not. Nope, 5.5. Australia has it at a 5.5, and GFC has it at 5.5. USGS is the only one that does not, and that is what we got. All links description box. God bless each and every one. 2 thumbs up for you. Please be safe out there. Please. As soon as I fix my husband's breakfast, I'll get busy. It will be a 2-part video. Sorry, but it's going to have to be a morning report with 2 parts. All right? You guys are totally awesome. Help a neighbor if you can. Give them a call. Check on them. Make sure they're okay. If you can get to the store for them, that would be nice. We're on not lockdown, but everything's closed. And they're warning seniors not to go out and go to the store. So I've got 2 neighbors that watch me and my son. All right? My son and daughter-in-law. And that is awesome. Even my grandkids have been bringing food up and dropping it at the door for me. I love it. All right, guys. Have a great day. You guys are totally, totally awesome. All links are in the description box. God bless. Much love to you, too. Enlightened. All right, guys. I'm going to get moving. Thank you for watching.